Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to study about partnership accounts. So, partnership accounts is nothing but for every business whenever we are going to prepare the financial statements or the accounting procedure we do follow. So, in such a way, we have to prepare accounts for partnership also. So, it also plays an important role in the partnership also. So, but whereas coming to the procedure or the accounting transactions, whatever we do prepare for business firms will be different from preparing the accounts for the partnership firm. Okay, so now before going to the partnership accounts topic, first let us know what is a partnership actually and the introduction about it. Okay, so what is partnership? Partnership is an association of persons who agree to contribute the financial and human resources for carrying legal business to earn profit and share the profit of the business on an agreed ratio. So, why a person will enter into a partnership actually? Suppose if we say, if we think about an individual person or a sole trader. So, if a single person running a business, he may not have the requisite capital, skills or experience to run a particular business. Even though if he is having all the skill or all the capital, everything, but he may not have the initiative to take the risk involved in starting a business. So these limitations, whatever the limitations, suppose if a person is having capital and skills but he is not able to take the risk individually. Suppose if a person is having ability to take risk, he is having skills but he will not have the capital. So what these or the limitations are there, no? So based on these limitations, so in order to overcome that limitations, so the sole traders, what they will do, they will move to enter into a partnership with others. Okay, so partnership, then the association of persons will be happening, so that's why it becomes a partnership. So partnership is an association of persons who agree to contribute the financial, so they will contribute the financial and human resource. Human resource is nothing but the activities, it may be like skill, for carrying legal business to earn profit and share the profit of the business and losses of the business on an agreed ratio. So whenever they enter into a partnership, what they will do, they will make an agreement that how much amount capital they are investing, how much amount of returns they will get, amount of interest they'll get. So they'll make an agreement before only, so that is nothing but on an agreed ratio. So, what is partnership? Partnership is an association of persons who agree to contribute the financial and human resources and to start a business to earn profits and to share the profits as well as losses also. Okay, so the partnership agreement are governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. So try to remember this act and year, so it may be helpful for the examination purpose. So partnership agreements, whatever the agreements or whatever the partnerships are there, those will be governed by whom? Those will be governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. And next, if we see essential elements of a partnership. So if anyone wants to enter into a partnership, they must have certain essential elements. They must follow this or they must have these elements. Then only it becomes a partnership, or the partnership will be taking place, or it comes into an existence. So first, for what is the first element? There must be an agreement entered into by all the persons. So whatever, who are all the people or who are all the persons entering into a partnership firm, they must enter by making an agreement that I am going to enter into this partnership firm, that they must given like what, an agreement. They have to make an agreement that so and so these people are entering into the partnership firm, then only that becomes a valid partnership. If not, it will not become the partnership. So there must be an agreement compulsory. And next one, agreement must be to share the profits. So to share the profits also, whenever a partnership they are running, so how much profit they will get, in that profit what is the share of each partner, they must make an agreement for the profits also. And next, the business must be carried on by all and or any of them acting for all. So the business activities, whatever the activities will be there in the partnership firm, it must be carried on by all or any one of them. So any all can work, or any one of the partners can be appointed to work for all the business purpose. So that is nothing but business must be carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So next, these all elements must be present, then only a partnership can come into existence. Whenever this all these elements are there among the partners, like they must give an agreement that they are entering into the partnership firm, and they must have an agreement to share the profits, and the business activities must be carried on. So then only it becomes a partnership, then only a partnership comes into an existence. If not, it will not considered as a partnership formed, it will not be considered as a partnership taking place. Okay, so these are the essential elements for partnership. And next, if we see partnership deed. So what is partnership deed? Partnership deed is nothing but it is like an document. Okay, so deed is a document containing the agreement among the partners in writing. So partnership is nothing but what, it is a document, so containing the agreement. So what were the agreements they have made, like sharing of the profits, entering into the partnership. So these are all the agreements it will contain, it's like a document. So that is nothing but a partnership deed. So partnership deed may be in the what, a written format or a oral one, but it is desirable to have a written format. Whenever we are making an agreement, it must be in written format, so it will be like it will act as a proof to some situation. So that's why whenever we are making an agreement, it must be in a written format. So partnership deed is a document, no? So in a document, what it will all contain, it may be like description of the partners, means who are all the partners present in the uh, partnership firm, about them they have to give a description in this document. And next, capital contribution, which person or which partner has contributed how much. Suppose a partner is there, he has contributed some 50,000, and b partner is there, he has contributed some 30,000, like that. And next, description of the, sorry, principal place of a business. So principal place of business is nothing but at which place a partnership is going, business they are going to run. And next, interest of capital, like how much interest they will get on their capital contributed, interest on drawings, profit sharing ratio, nature of business, what type of business they are going to start, everything will be written, like accounting period, banking operations, duration of partnership, their salary. Suppose mm, the partners, some of them will take activities in the partners, uh, instead of all the partners working in the partnership firm, only one person will be made to work. So for that person, what they will do, they will give some salary. And next, settlement of disputes, everything must be recorded in the partnership deed, or everything must be entered or written in the agreement. So that agreement will be made into a document. That document is called as a partnership deed. Okay, so today in this class, what we have discussed what is partnership accounts. So partnership accounts is nothing but whenever we are going to start a partnership firm, or we are going to start a business by association of persons, at that time we have to prepare accounts for that also. That is nothing but partnership accounts. And next, what is partnership? Partnership is an association of persons who agree to contribute the financial and human resources, and they'll carry out the business, and they will earn profits and losses. So in again what they will do, they will share those profits and losses also. So next, partnership agreements are governed by which? Governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. And next is essential elements of partnership. Whenever all these elements are present, then only a partnership comes into an existence. If not, the it is not considered as a partnership. And next one, partnership deed. So partnership deed is nothing but it is a document containing all the things about the partnership, about salary, about the description of the firm, about principle of place of business, interest of capital, profit sharing ratio, valuation of assets, everything will be present in the partnership deed. So partnership is nothing, deed is nothing but a document containing the agreement among the partners in writing format. Okay, so this is a brief introduction about the partnership accounts and partnership act. What is partnership actually? So in the next class we'll discuss about kinds of partner. Okay, so if you like this video, please do click the like button and share to your friends who are preparing for the net exam, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.